you tired of screen recording software that promises the world but delivers a pixelated mess? In today's fast-paced digital world, capturing high-quality screen recordings is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, showcasing a product demo, or recording tutorials, the clarity, ease of use, and functionality of your screen recording software can make or break your video. But here's the kicker. You don't need to break the bank to get professional-grade screen recording tools. In this video, we're diving deep into the realm of free screen recording software, revealing the top 10 champions of 2024 that stand out from the crowd. From the hidden gems to the fan favorites, we've tested them all to bring you a comprehensive guide that will save you time, frustration, and most importantly, money. So buckle up and let's explore the best free screen recording software of 2024 that will elevate your content creation game without costing you a dime. Stay tuned. 10. ScreenPull. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have ScreenPull, a versatile tool that's not just a screen recorder, but a gateway to creating engaging videos. This software is perfect for educators, businesses, and content creators looking for an easy way to share their stories. With ScreenPull, you can capture your screen, add video from your webcam, and narrate your tutorials or presentations seamlessly. While the free version offers a solid foundation with the ability to record up to 15-minute videos, it does place a watermark on your content, nudging professionals towards its affordable upgrade options. Despite this, its intuitive interface and the convenience of direct uploads to YouTube make it a compelling choice for beginners. Whether you're making instructional videos or capturing your latest gaming achievements, ScreenPull provides a straightforward path to sharing your screen with the world. Here's the detailed specification. 9. Ice Cream Screen Recorder. Sliding into our 9th spot offers a delightful blend of simplicity and functionality for users aiming to capture their screen with minimal fuss. Tailored for quick tutorials, webinars, and gaming videos, it stands out with its straightforward interface and flexible recording options, including area selection and annotation tools. The free version, however, limits users to 5-minute recordings and embeds a watermark, which might be a deal breaker for content creators looking for unlimited recording time. Despite these limitations, Ice Cream Screen Recorder's ability to capture webcam footage, add text, and draw during recordings makes it a solid choice for casual users. Its ease of use and basic editing capabilities ensure that even novices can produce quality screen captures without navigating through complex settings. Here is the detailed specification. 8. ShareX. At the 8th position, ShareX is not your average screen recording software. It's a powerhouse for users who crave efficiency and customization. Beyond its capability to capture high-quality screen recordings, ShareX shines with its wealth of additional features, including the ability to capture scrolling screenshots, automate workflows with after-capture tasks, and even direct uploads to a variety of hosting services. What sets ShareX apart is its open-source nature, offering a completely free experience without watermarks or recording limits, making it a favorite among tech-savvy users and developers. However, its complexity and the sheer number of options can be overwhelming for beginners. Despite this, for those willing to climb the learning curve, ShareX offers unparalleled flexibility and functionality, making it a top choice for anyone looking to maximize their productivity in screen capturing and beyond. Here's the detailed specification. 7. OBS Studio. It claims the 7th spot on our list, standing tall as a titan in the realm of screen recording and live streaming. Esteemed for its versatility and powerful performance, OBS Studio caters to a wide audience, from gamers broadcasting their epic battles to professionals conducting webinars. This open-source software offers high-definition recording and streaming without time limits or watermarks, setting the stage for producing content of unparalleled quality. Its strength lies in the ability to customize everything from scenes and sources to audio mixes, making it a dream for creators who demand control over their production. However, its advanced features come with a complexity that might intimidate beginners. Despite this, for those willing to explore its depths, OBS Studio offers an unmatched array of tools and settings to fine-tune recordings and live streams to perfection. Here's the detailed specification. 6. A PowerSoft free online screen recorder. Securing the sixth spot, a PowerSoft free online screen recorder offers a seamless and flexible solution for capturing screen activities without the need to download hefty software. This web-based tool stands out for its simplicity and ease of use, allowing users to start recording with just a click. It supports recording all types of activities on your screen, including video streams, webinars, and tutorials, with options for webcam overlays and audio narration. The beauty of a PowerSoft lies in its versatility, offering a variety of output formats and direct sharing options to social media and cloud storage. While it's incredibly user-friendly and accessible from any device with an internet connection, its reliance on a web launcher might deter users looking for a more traditional application. Nonetheless, for quick, hassle-free recordings without compromising on quality, a PowerSoft free online screen recorder is a solid choice. Here's the detailed specification. 5. Flashback Express. Landing at the fifth spot, Flashback Express is a gem in the world of screen recording, offering a perfect balance between simplicity and functionality. Unlike many free screen recorders, Flashback Express doesn't impose a watermark on your videos, nor does it limit your recording time, making it an excellent choice for creating longer content such as tutorials, gameplays, or presentations. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can navigate through its features with ease, including recording the screen, webcam, and sounds. While the free version packs enough punch for most users, those seeking advanced editing capabilities might find it a bit lacking, nudging them towards its pro version. Here's the detailed specification. 4. Active Presenter. Secures the fourth spot with its robust feature set tailored for educators and professionals creating interactive e-learning content. This software excels not just as a screen recorder, but as a comprehensive authoring tool, offering advanced editing and annotation capabilities. Users can capture their screens, incorporate webcam footage, and enrich their videos with quizzes, annotations, and interactive elements, making it ideal for tutorials, presentations, and online courses. While the free version offers a wealth of features, it's the seamless integration of recording and editing functionalities that sets Active Presenter apart. The learning curve might be steeper compared to more straightforward recorders, but the payoff is in the production of highly engaging and educational content. For those in the business of teaching or training, Active Presenter offers an unmatched toolkit to create dynamic and interactive videos. Here's the detailed specification. 3. Movavi Screen Recorder. Claims the third spot on our list, striking an impressive balance between ease of use and powerful functionality. This software is a favorite among users for its straightforward interface that makes capturing screen videos, webinars, and online calls a breeze. With Movavi, you can record high-quality videos at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring your recordings are crisp and clear. Additionally, it offers handy features like scheduled recording, screenshot capabilities, and basic editing tools to trim videos or add captions. While the free version provides a solid foundation, upgrading unlocks the full potential of Movavi, removing time limits and watermarks. Whether you're a professional creating tutorials or a casual user capturing streaming video, Movavi Screen Recorder's blend of simplicity and advanced features makes it a top choice for all your screen recording needs. Here's the detailed specification. 2. Camtasia. It secures the second spot with its unparalleled blend of screen recording and video editing capabilities, setting a gold standard for professionals and educators alike. Unlike typical screen recorders, Camtasia offers a full suite of editing tools, allowing users to transform their recordings into polished, informative, and engaging videos. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible to users of all skill levels, while its vast library of pre-made assets, including animations, transitions, and effects, empowers creators to produce high-quality content with minimal effort. Camtasia supports recording from both screen and webcam, making it perfect for creating tutorials, product demos, and online courses. While it comes with a higher price tag, the investment is justified by the software's comprehensive features and the professional quality of the output it enables. Here's the detailed specification. 1. Loom. Claiming the top spot on our list, Loom revolutionizes the way we think about screen recording, offering a seamless, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly experience. What sets Loom apart is its direct integration with the cloud, enabling instant sharing of recordings without the hassle of large file transfers. Designed with a focus on communication, Loom allows users to capture not just their screens, but also their faces and voices, making it an ideal tool for creating engaging tutorials, feedback videos, and presentations. Its simplicity does not sacrifice power. With features like easy editing, comments, and reactions, Loom fosters an interactive environment for viewers. The free version offers generous limits, making it accessible for both professionals and casual users. For those looking to enhance their digital communication, Loom stands out as the premier choice, blending convenience with quality in a sleek, modern package. Here is the detailed specification. Concluding our journey through the best free screen recording software of 2024, it's evident that Loom takes the crown for its unparalleled ease of use, instant cloud sharing, and interactive communication features. It stands out as the ultimate tool for professionals and casual users alike, seeking to create engaging, high-quality videos with minimal fuss. Loom's victory in this lineup underscores the growing demand for efficient, user-friendly software that bridges the gap between creators and their audience, making it the go-to choice for anyone looking to capture and share their screen content effortlessly.